everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore one of the most important organs in our body, the human heart. If you are a class 10 student or just curious about how this incredible organ works, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. Before we get into the details, let's start with a quick overview of the heart structure. The human heart is a muscular organ about the size of a fist, located slightly to the left of the chest. It is responsible for pumping blood throughout our body, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to all our cells. Now, let's take a closer look at the external structure of the heart. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 upper chambers called the atria, singular, atrium, and 2 lower chambers called the ventricles. The right side of the heart deals with deoxygenated blood, while the left side deals with oxygenated blood. Moving on to the internal structure, the heart is divided into 2 sides by a septum. This separation ensures that oxygen-rich and oxygen-poor blood do not mix. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body and pumps it into the right ventricle. From there, the blood is sent to the lungs for oxygenation. On the other side, the left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and transfers it to the left ventricle. The left ventricle is the strongest chamber, as it has to pump blood to the entire body through the aorta, the largest artery in our body. The heart has 4 valves that regulate the blood flow: the tricuspid valve, the pulmonary valve, the mitral valve, or bicuspid valve, and the aortic valve. These valves ensure one-way blood flow, preventing backflow and keeping the blood moving in the right direction. When the heart contracts, it is called systole, and when it relaxes, it is called diastole. This rhythmic contraction and relaxation create the heartbeat, which is essential for our survival. Besides the heart, we have a network of blood vessels. Arteries carry oxygenated blood away from the heart, while veins bring deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Capillaries are tiny blood vessels that connect arteries and veins, allowing the exchange of nutrients and waste products with our body's cells. Understanding the structure of the human heart is crucial for understanding how our circulatory system works. So, class 10 students, make sure to study this amazing organ thoroughly. If you have any questions or need further explanations, leave them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting educational content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.